Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to know about how to select a best large cap mutual fund among different kind of large cap funds available in the market. So for simplification, I have selected top 3 large cap mutual funds available in the market. So let's go deeper into analysis of these 3 funds and select one best mutual fund. So I have selected Nippon India Large Cap Fund, ICICI Large Cap Fund, and Quant Large Cap Fund. These three were performing better in the previous years. So let's go into the deeper analysis of these three funds. So the minimum SIP is same for Nippon and ICICI, whereas minimum SIP is 1000. The people who are going for less budget, they can prefer Nippon and ICICI based on the SIP amount. When the most crucial factor is expense ratio. When we come upon expense ratio, Nippon is having average expense ratio, Quant is having low expense ratio. Before selecting the fund, we should compare expense ratio and exit load also. So when we come to the exit load for Nippon is the best among these three. The worst exit load which is giving is ICICI, where you need to wait for 1 year to exit the fund without any charges. But whereas in Nippon, you can exit the funds after 7 days with no charges. Quant is having 15 days, which is also somewhat similar to the Nippon fund. So let's more get into deeper into the returns of 1 year, 3 year, 5 years. For 1 year, when we compare, Nippon is gave the best with 9.1% even in the difficult situation of Indian stock market of main Nifty 50. When we come for 3 year time duration, Nippon has given the best return with 20% annualized by every year. When we come for the 5 years, Nippon has also given again the best return for 25.6% annualized return. So when we come here, the pros are Nippon is having a best exit load, average expense ratio, which is almost 0.2% greater than Quant large cap fund. So here 0.4, 0.67, which is around 0.25% more than the Quant. But for 0.25% expense ratio, we are getting a better returns in every time period compared to the Quant. So Nippon will be the better option depending on the Quant large cap fund. So now we need to decide whether we need to go with the Nippon or ICICI Prudential Fund. So let's go in deeper into the returns of both the funds again. Where 9.1, 8.2, almost similar. 20, 18.4, almost similar. 25.6, 22, nearly close. So here also we can see for all the three time periods, Nippon has given the best returns. So again, before selecting, as of now, I can tell that Nippon India Large Cap is the best mutual fund as of now among these three funds. So let's go into deeper. What are the funds they are investing? What are the top holdings? HDFC, Reliance, ICICI, Axis Bank, State Bank. These are the major companies which are holding the Nifty 50. As we compare different kind of aspects, exit load, expense ratio, better returns in different time periods, and minimum SIP amount. So I feel the Nippon India Large Cap Fund is the best large cap fund in present scenario. So don't forget, if you are interested for the large cap fund, prefer this Nippon India Large Cap Fund. This is only for the advisory purpose. Before you invest, you also do your own research. So let's meet again with in our next video with another better and interesting topic. So don't forget to subscribe my channel.